So tonight I'm finishing up chores, kind of late for me, but we had school today and then I went shopping at Sam's, so we didn't get home for a while. And then of course I had to try to find all the places for all the things that we bought, but it's getting colder. It's pretty chilly out here. I have 3 layers, not my winter coat, but I have 3 layers on. And I went around and watered everybody, and they seem okay. They're definitely feeling it. And as we get closer to snow, we move them inside the barn closer, or in other areas that are closer to the barn, because in wintertime we don't want to move water too much, and we're already feeling it. Some of our good hoses are already starting to spring leaks, and it's just frustrating. We'll figure it out. We always do. But yeah, it's been a good night with the animals, and I'm gonna go pick some raspberries now. It might be the last. It might not be. We're supposed to have a few more good days. So, anyways, I'll show you a cute video. Hey, sweetie. Shiny. Shiny. Good girl. So tonight, while I'm picking what could be the last of the berries, I think we have a few more days left, but I have this REM song in my head. The Losing My Religion. I don't know why that song is in my head, but they're giving it all. Every little bit that they have, and they're still holding on strong. It's so crazy that this song came into my head, but the whole time I'm picking, I still got a decent amount, and I'll show you. But and I'm over here looking at Shine, our female Great Pyrenees, and I'm hoping that she's having puppies. She's sleeping next to the round bale while the other guys are out patrolling like normal. So that's not quite normal for her. So fingers crossed that we will have puppies right around the time of the new year, because that's when she did last year. So anyways, it's been an eventful night.